Are you ready to recertify? Introducing AWS Cloud Quest Recertify Cloud Practitioner, an immersive, game-based way to maintain your certification through AWS Cloud Quest. This option is for AWS certified cloud practitioners who are due to recertify within 6 months. When you recertify with AWS Cloud Quest, no exam appointment or preparation is required. Complete all assignments in AWS Cloud Quest Recertify Cloud Practitioner, and your certification will be renewed for 3 years. Just claim your certification from the game. As you build real-life solutions with AWS services, you will boost your AWS cloud knowledge and gain job-ready skills. Start your recertification journey with AWS Cloud Quest Recertify Cloud Practitioner, available on skillbuilder.aws.